Hello and welcome to the tutorials of Efficient Elements for presentations. Today we want to show you the Team Elements feature of Efficient Elements. The Team Elements feature is designed to help you edit and manage the contents of your element wizard library and share it with your team. First of all, you will have to set up a shared folder. In our example here we will be using OneDrive, so please make sure the OneDrive app is running. Then you will want to set up the OneDrive folder that you want to use as your Team Elements location. This step needs to be done only by the owner of the folder. So go ahead and create a new folder in your OneDrive directory. Once this is done and named correctly, hit a right click and select Share. This will open a new dialog. In this dialog, please enter the name and mail address of the person or group you want to share your content with, and select the permission level in the dropdown. Please note that the data in the Team Elements location is shared data. If necessary, assign the appropriate permissions on the remote location. Also, please be careful. Changes cannot be undone by Efficient Elements, especially if content is deleted. We strongly recommend a regular backup of the contents in your Team Elements location. In the next step, you will have to subscribe to the Team Elements location. This step has to be done by the owner of the location, as well as everybody who is allowed to have access to the contents of this location. The Team Elements feature is located in the Element Wizard menu. To subscribe to your desired location, simply click the Add Location button with the red plus symbol. This opens up a new window, in which you can enter a name for your location and select OneDrive as the provider. If you are working with any other cloud-based providers, please select Third-Party Sync from the dropdown. Finally, click on the button with the three dots, and navigate to the desired OneDrive folder. Your Team Elements location has now been synchronized successfully. Please note that the content in the Team Elements feature shall be managed exclusively by using the Element Wizard dialog. Manual changes in the OneDrive folder are not intended and can lead to unexpected behavior. Now your Team Elements location is set up, and you can start working with the Team Elements feature to manage your content. To do this, head over to the Element Wizard menu, and find your shared OneDrive folder shown in the left menu bar. Within the buttons in the bottom left corner of the Element Wizard menu, you can find a button to create new folders. We want to do this as a first step, to structure your contents. Next, we will start filling these folders with contents, for example adding picture files from our computer and saving them into the Team Elements folder. Also, we can go ahead and import complete presentations from our computer and save them in our Team Elements location. We can also select single elements from a slide to save them in the according Team Elements folder. To do this, simply select the element, open the Element Wizard menu, and click on the Add Current Selection button. You can then go ahead and name your selected element, and even assign keywords to simplify the search for a specific element later on. At the top of this menu, you have the possibility to choose whether you would like to save the whole slide, or just the selected element. You also have the option to add a dark background if you happen to have selected white elements. Please note that elements selected on the slide and uploaded to the library can only be inserted on the currently selected slide and not as a new one. To add an entire slide to your Team Elements location, you can proceed the same way. Alternatively, you can use a little shortcut. Without selecting anything on the slide itself, but with the slide selected in the preview bar on the left side of your PowerPoint window, click on the little arrow next to the Element Wizard button. This will show you a button to directly open up the menu to add the selection to the Team Elements location. To keep your content structured, create a new folder for slides, and then proceed as before. The name of the slide is automatically generated using the title from the slide. To simplify searching for a specific slide, you can go ahead and assign some keywords. When finished, click on the Add Selection button to save your slide to the according folder. Slides that are added to the library can be pasted onto the current slide or as a new slide. Please be aware of the fact that all elements added to your Team Elements location are sorted in alphabetical order. Hence you can manage the order of your saved elements based on the names you assign. That's all for the Team Elements feature of Efficient Elements for presentations. For more interesting features, be sure to check out all of the other videos on our channel, and, of course, feel free to explore Efficient Elements on your own. In case you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Efficient Elements. Click Done.